Good evening, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin, brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Apple ends credit card partnership with Goldman Sachs, Google Drive data loss issue, and account cleanup. Meta supports research project by NLSIU to enhance consumer grievance redressal. Google launches .meme domain for memes and internet sensations and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Apple is set to terminate credit card partnership with Goldman Sachs within 12 to 15 months. Proposal covers entire consumer partnership including virtual credit card introduced in 2019. Savings account and highly yield deposit account introduced earlier this year also included in termination. The Apple Card designed for Apple Pay on devices like iPhone and iPad is a part of the digital-first credit card offering. The proposed termination reflects a strategic shift in Apple's financial services approach. The termination marks the conclusion of the partnership that began with the introduction of a virtual credit card. Google Drive experiences data loss causing users to lose new files and change to folders. Syncing issues between devices and storage system identified as the cause. The Google's experts are investigating in the problem. No guarantee of a fix yet. Users await resolution for the unexpected disappearance of files. Google preparing to delete inactive accounts for security measures. Users encouraged to save digital memories and secure accounts with two-step verifications. Redmi announces the launch of Redmi 13C smartphone in India on December 6, 2023. Budget-oriented device featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera and a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, 90Hz screen, 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging support. Expected to have a more powerful chipset than Helio G85. It is available in Stardust Black and Starshine Green colors. A 6.74-inch LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate enhances the device's display. Tata Group plans to expand its iPhone manufacturing facility in Hosur, India. Current plan occupying 500 acres set to potentially double in size. Employment opportunities expected to rise from 15,000 to potentially 25 or 28,000 workers. Initial investment for the Hosur facility was Rs 5,000 crore. Tata Electronics leverages iPhone assembly plant for high-end electronics manufacturing, aligns with Apple's strategy to diversify smartphone manufacturing beyond China. AMD opens its largest global design center in Bangalore, India, covering 5 lakh square feet. Part of AMD's $400 million investment in India over the next 5 years. Facility focuses on advancing semiconductor technology, including 3D stacking, AI, and machine learning. Approximately 3,000 AMD engineers to work on high-performance CPUs, gaming GPUs, and more. This strategic move to boost India's ambitions as a major semiconductor manufacturing hub. It is inaugurated by the Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. Meta supports research project by National Law School of India University NLSIU to improve consumer grievance redressal. Project executed with Indian Institute of Technology Bombay and Department of Consumer Affairs aims to create a citizen-centric chatbot and a decision assist tool using Llama 2. Chatbot guides consumers in complaint drafting, decision assist tools, aids judicial authorities in consumer affairs, enhances India's consumer grievance redressal system using large language models. The collaboration demonstrates Meta's commitment to societal impact. Google introduces the .meme domain dedicated to memes and viral internet sensations. 6 partners joined the revolution, making it a hub for meme enthusiasts. The domains available during an early access period with decreasing fees until December 5th. Permanent homes for cat-themed sites like Know Your Meme, 10 p.m. curfew, and more. A playground for meme enthusiasts to share relatable moments and spark social movements. The .meme domain aims to be centralized space for the meme community. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all the latest tech news.
हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।